Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a Google Meet invite. Okay, as you can see, I'm in a meeting right now currently and I'm alone. To add people, we can see on the left side that our meeting is ready. We can manually add others when you click on that button, and now the list appeared. But in here we need to enter the name or the email of the people that we want to invite into our meeting, or we can simply copy this code, click on copy link, and then send it into the person that you want to invite. That person simply click on that link and he will be able to join the meeting. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.